Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you an honest review of Cal.com, the open source scheduling platform that's quickly becoming a favorite for businesses, creators, and students. If you've ever been frustrated with endless email chains just to book a simple meeting, stay tuned because Cal.com might be the solution you've been waiting for. What is Cal.com? Cal.com is a powerful scheduling tool similar to Calendly, but with one major difference. It's open source and highly customizable. That means you get full flexibility to make it work exactly how you want, whether you're running a business, working freelance, or just organizing personal calls. Key features of Cal.com: smart scheduling. You can easily set your availability and let people book meetings without the back and forth emails. Team scheduling, perfect for businesses. Coordinate across multiple team members so clients can see the best slots. Integrations, works with Google Calendar, Outlook, Zoom, and even payment systems like Stripe if you're charging for consultations. Open source and privacy. First, unlike many closed platforms, Cal.com gives you transparency, security, and the option to self-host if you need. Benefits of using Cal.com: saves time, no more confusion, your schedule updates automatically, boosts professionalism, send clients or colleagues one clean booking link. Customizable. You can brand it your way, add workflows, and fit it to your needs. Cost-effective, offers great free options, plus affordable upgrades. Who should use Cal.com? Freelancers and consultants who need easy booking links, businesses managing teams and client calls, educators, coaches, and students scheduling study sessions. Basically, anyone who values time and wants to make scheduling stress-free. Overall, Cal.com is not just another scheduling tool. It's flexible, professional, and built to grow with you. If you want a cleaner, faster, and smarter way to book meetings, this is worth trying out. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description for you. Go explore it today and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on AI tools and productivity apps.